Mhm.
And now you can do it.
So what's next?
You see if you can match these ones. Oh,
I can fit that one. And I can fit this one to here as well.
Yeah.
And then I can do that one. No.
No, it's Daddy go, not your go, Petra.
Okay.
Daddy, you can do it. That's my go. Where is Tigger?
Oh.
Tigger, Tigger, Tigger.
Tigger, tigger.
Tigger. There you go.
It's the same in Czech.
Now
Tigger.
you have to...
Tigger, tigger. We have just the r at the end. Tigger.
Now, Petra, you see if you can match one of these.
Which ones? I can fit that one. Daddy can. No, this is cheating.
No, it's not cheating.
It is.
No, I am teacher. I say it. Petra. And Dad is like, no, he can do it if he wants to.
If he wants to. That's not fair. It's another one. I could put only one and he's putting 4 already. No, I want to put it in here.
No, you have to put it here.
Why?
Ta-da!
Because I am teacher. I spell the words, not you.
Okay then, I'm sorry.
I'm going to send you home now. I'm definitely out.
You're a bossy teacher.
I really am going to send you home.
You should
I'm
send
going
him
to ring
home.
Your mum.
No,
And
send
I'm
her
going
home.
to, I'm going to sing.
Good luck
I'm
with
going
that.
to ring your mum, and I am going to send you straight to her.
Mm-hmm.
Hello. Your baby is being naughty with me. So can you just come here and just take your baby home? Thank
Here,
you. Bye.
Mother.
What did she say?
She said.
I'm too busy. I'm at work. I can't drop everything and come to
No. No, she said. I am coming straight away.
Oh, so she's not at work.
It's my go. No. Daddy lies. Daddy lies. Daddy lies.
It isn't right.
Okay, your mum is here. Go to your mum now.
Mm-mm. I don't want to.
Now.
I don't want to.
Now.
I don't want to.
Or she'll smack your bum.
I don't want to. I'm staying here.
No, you can't sleep here for the night.
I want to.
No, you cannot.
I want to.
You cannot.
Calm down.
I want to.
You cannot, or I'll send your mum back to work.
Okay, send her back to work then.
No,
I want to.
no,
Yes.
no,
Yes.
no.
Yes.
You can't sleep here for night.
I want to.
No,
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
no,
Yes.
no,
Yes.
no.
Yes.
I say no.
I
You're
say
not
yes.
the teacher.
I don't care.
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 I'm staying here.
Well, your mum is going to smack your bum so
I'm not
now.
afraid of my mum.
Okay.
Maybe she's gonna smack your bum.
No.
I think so.
Thought she was here already.
No. Your child's being naughty with me. Can you just come now, please? Bye. She's going to smack your bum right now.
I think she's gonna smack your bum so hard.
No, she's going to smack your bum so hard.
Yeah, I think your bum.
No, don't be rude.
I'm not rude. You are rude.
No, I am not.
You are very
You're
rude.
rude.
You are rude.
You're rude.
You're rude.
No, you're rude. No, you're going home now.
I don't want to go home.
I'm going home, Matt.
Go home
No.
then. I'm staying.
You're going home. You're going home.
No, I'm not going home.
You're going home too.
No,
All of my children are going home,
no.
but not you two. Only you.
No.
We're going to just play this game and then we're going to read the story.
Okay. We're going to read the story, Daddy.
Okay, let's tidy this up.
Bring the book and read the story then.
Yeah. All of
Because
it.
you're being so naughty.
Yes.
You've been so naughty.
No. Oh, because Daddy and Sophie have
The goal
been
of this
good.
game is to create
And
the
you
lowest
have
number
been good.
of tortoise. This
And
the
I
game is
am going to tell your mum you have been
Amy,
naughty.
just be tidy with them. Tidy.
Oh yeah, tidy, Mrs. Teacher.
Tidy them up nicely.
Daddy, here are yours.
Are we gonna read the book then?
Here's yours. Here's yours. We're going to read the book in a minute when we tidy up.
I want to read the book now.
No. We have
You
to
don't
tidy
get
up
what
first.
you want.
Really?
We're going to tidy up.
Please,
Okay,
I
Ma?
want does not get.
Remember that.
Or
one,
you,
because
or
we've
you
got
must
it
not
on video.
get a story. We'll keep playing this game forever.
Show me your tooth. Is it coming? Both of them! Look at them! Daddy, did you see them?
Both of them.